Hey guys, this is Fundo on Pagama. Tonight on Uzalo, Vega has a change of heart with regarding to his father after they have a conflict between them about the life Vega he live. Pastor Kuala, powerful Simone, touches lives and brings hopes to the hopeless Nunca out of there. While Madongwe don't want to see the community that she is back on her old house. Sonto is checking out of this relationship and Bata is too caught up in his own cloud to see. And Bata see that the business of product he use on the church is going well and the members of the church they like it. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.